In this video, we are going to be multiplying polynomials. Now, the way that we do this is using the FOIL method. That's F-O-I-L. So the different letters in FOIL represent the order that we're going to be multiplying our terms. Okay, so let's start. The F in FOIL represent first. So that means we want to multiply our first two terms together. So x times x, which is simply x squared. Now, the second multiplication is the O in FOIL, so that's outer. So that means we want to take the two outer terms, so the x and the -3, we're going to multiply those. So -3 times x is simply -3x. Now, we're at the I in FOIL, and that's inner. So it's these two terms here, the inner one, the 5 times the x. So 5 times x is simply 5x. And the final step in FOIL is L, which is last. So it's these last two terms in the two brackets. So we're going to multiply 5 times -3, which gives us -15. Now we have one final step to do, and that's just simplification. So we're going to combine all our like terms. So we'll start with our first term. We have x squared. And when I look through my other terms, I don't have any other terms that have an x squared in it. So I can't simplify that. That just stays the same. Now I'm going to look at my second term. I've got -3x. I'm going to look at my other terms. I have a 5x. So these are like terms. They have the same variable to the same power. We don't see a power written here, which means there's an implied power of 1. Okay? And then when I look at my third term, it doesn't have an x variable. So I can combine my second term and my third term. So it's going to be -3x plus 5x, simply plus 2x. Remember, when we combine like terms, the variable will stay the same. All we're doing really is combining our number elements, okay? In this case, because we're adding them together, all we're doing is combining the number elements. Okay, so now we've dealt with the first three terms. We're on our fourth term now, -15. Now, we don't have any more terms left, so we don't have to check to see if we can combine it. It's all on its own, and we can just rewrite it. So that gives us our answer, which is x squared plus 2x minus 15. If you would like to learn how to quickly study for your GED exam online and get a new resume, then visit testprepskills.com.